Hello everyone, we are welcoming you to a brand new video. Today we are going to talk about crypto citizen throughout this video. So let's not waste any further time and jump towards the video. Crypto Citizen is one of the most anticipated blockchain gaming projects of 2022. It's being developed by skilled people with experience from Gameloft, Blizzard, Ubisoft, and other AAA gaming studios. Crypto Citizen is not just any game, it's unique. Online world crypto immersive experience with a breathtaking storyline waiting for you to become a main character. Work your way up to be a boss and take the fate of Metropolit into your own hands. Let's know about the story of Metropolit. The city of Metropolit is a futuristic city. In the year 2101, that has been largely taken over by big corporations. After a technological revolution, these corporations have taken control over a wide range of areas, such as weapons, robotics, pharmaceuticals, and communications, and most of them operate above the law. This has pushed many individuals with no family, fortune, nor corporate connections into the streets with no way of getting a decent job. The key characteristics of crypto citizens are AAA gaming experience, which is most progressive NFT personalization technology ever implemented. Fight, race, and own streets. Drag race, street fight, manage land in Metaverse streets, buildings, and services get played by other players in CyberCash. Play to earn CyberCash. They reward you for your time. Even if you do not win, you can have fun and earn CyberCash for your time. And lastly, level up and build NFT Imperium. You can level up, customize, and build your NFT inventory. You can use your NFTs in Cyber City, Metaverse, and become the ultimate boss. The corporate partners and backers of Crypto Citizens are Binance Smart Chain, Binance NFT, CDFI, Polka Starter, Maven Capital, Firestarter, Bullparks, JBS Capital, Blockchain Game Alliance, Magnus Capital, and many more. They are now on various social media platforms. If you want to get the latest news and updates, you guys can follow them through their social media. That was all about today's topic. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for being here with us.